Hello everyone, welcome back to Morning Crypto. As you know, we always look at technical analysis every single day. So if you seen my videos in the past before, I go through every single coin, predict where the prices could be going, and sometimes give you guys some insight of what's going on with the market. So let's get into it. So today we're actually looking at Bitcoin here. It did took a on the hour chart. It shows as an uptrend, right? But in the 4 hour, it was coming down as a downtrend here, but now it's starting to form a uptrend here. This green moving average, which is the 50, almost crossed the 200 moving average. If that were the case to happen, that indicates a strong downtrend called a golden circle. So we dodge a bullet there. So now seems to me that Bitcoin might start coming back up, right? So let's go ahead and go back at the 1 hour. We could start doing our Fibonacci retracement here. Let's go ahead and move this. Let's go ahead and clear everything here. All right, perfect. So from here, there, okay. So looking at the Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, it went up, retested the 0.5, and then continue going back up. I'm not too sure what this horizontal line is for them to see. It might be for this one. Let's see. I mean, I'll say book right through it. I'll say it will be this one that had to break. So, look at the 4 hours. So, the market will have to break through this resistance, right? And once this resistance is breaks through, we will have to wait until it retests this new which is could be the new support, and then it's gonna go back up. So it's gonna go breakout, come back down to retest, and then go back up, right? So for me, what I'll do is I'll wait for the breakout. Once the breakout happens, let's get retest, right? Usually 90% of the time, once it breaks out a support or resistance, it'll always have to retest the line, the horizontal line, before going back up. So if you were to buy more, I would just wait it out, or it's completely up to you. I mean, it's your money. You'll buy it now if you want to, because it's still below this horizontal line here. So if it breaks through, comes back down, goes back up. Once these two moving average cross the 200 moving average, it's be a solid sign that the trend is gonna be a lot stronger, and the buying power is gonna be really, really strong. So it's a good sign. So my previous video, I was told that September Bitcoin, I was told that Bitcoin was September is one of the roughest times. So this might be an indication that it might not be the case for this year. Majority of the years of September, it's been rough for Bitcoin. This year might be different. Who knows? I'm just going based off of the indicators here, what it's telling me. It just like this area right here, you know, it is consolidating, but once this moving average crosses and breaks through out this this resistance line here, it's gonna be out of the consolidating phase and start going back up. So I think if it does break through, it'll probably go up to here, and then and then probably possibly right back up here, right? Let's go ahead and look at the daily. All right, cool. So once it breaks through this, it's gonna go to the 49,000, close to the 50,000, right? And then hit the 52,738, and hopefully going back up from there. So I did my own like little research, try and get some ideas from the other, you know, the other crypto gurus out there, just to get an idea of what's going on, about, you know, just get enough information where when's the next bearish market, you know. And I was informed that, you know, right now it's still a bullish market. So in the next 3 months, it's still gonna be a bullish market. So take as much, you know, income as you can, you know, when within these next 3 months, because the next year is gonna be a bearish market. And the reason being is because of the deflation and what because, you know, inflation, right? That's really good for Bitcoin, because inflation is the value of the dollar becomes weak, right? And from the research I was getting, that the next year that the value of the dollar is gonna be more, so that's a deflation, right? So that indicates that Bitcoin might you know, might start becoming a bearish market in the following year. So that's all I know from my insight right now. So we just gotta be prepared, right? So as of right now, we gotta enjoy these next 3 months on this bullish market until we see a you know, bearish market in the next year, or maybe 2, who knows, right? All right, I think this is solid here. I don't think there's anything we could add. Okay. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Let's go to Ethereum here. All right, Ethereum, same thing. Let's go ahead and clear these out. Clear that out. Okay. All right, swing low to swing high. Here to here. All right. So what I'm thinking here, all right, so I used the trend-based Fibonacci extension. That's used for where's the next price point that's gonna hit, right? Before retracing back. So it's hitting at the 0.5 on this one. Let's go ahead and remove this. All right, hitting the 0.5. Possibly might come down a bit before going back up, or might just go up here, hit the 0.618, chill between here before going back up. This is a good sign that the moving average just crossed here. Once it crossed this 200 moving average, indicates a strong uptrend, and we potentially see that Ethereum might go back up here. Let's see, we're in the Alright, so yep, it's starting to form an uptrend here, so we just gotta see. If it does, it's gonna hit this horizontal line, and then once it breaks through that, I honestly think it could just go back up to the 4,000. Yep, I think that's the way it's looking right now. So cool, solid. All right. Actually, I do want to remove this. I want to use the other Fibonacci retracement here. Higher low to a higher high. Boom. I see a trend line here. Let's zoom in real quick here. Okay. We average touch the candles, retest trend line, right? Wonder if this will be a also. Okay, this is in the 1 hour here, so this potentially might happen. All right, just be in this parallel uptrend. Okay. All right, I think it's gonna retest to 0.382 before going back up here. All right, so I think that's solid for Ethereum. It's starting to form an uptrend here, so which is a good sign. Alright, on to Litecoin here. Litecoin, still in this consolidating box. There's nothing much we could do. Yeah, it has to just break out. But based off Ethereum, Bitcoin, I think it's gonna break through on the upside here. So if I were to draw an arrow, break through, hit here, come back up right there. Okay, solid. Let's go ahead and move on. Look at XRP. So XRP, it unfortunately it didn't go down as I thought it would be. So let's go ahead and move that. Right, you know, like all my price predictions is all theory, right? You know, we just gotta, you know, it's like trials and errors, hypothesis, where the where you think the market is gonna go, right? So now I thought it was gonna break through this, and you know, if it were become a downtrend still, it probably would have, like, you know, break through this, retest, and start going down here. But you know, in the next 3 months, it's still a bullish market. So right here, once this moving average cross, that's a good sign that it's gonna be forming a uptrend. So we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait until that cross, and then we'll understand where the market's gonna go. See, where's this at here? Okay, yep, we just gotta wait it out, okay? So let's move on to the next one here. Look at Cardano here. Wow, Cardano. I thought it was gonna go back up, just based off looking at the other coins here, but it went down as a downtrend. It made a double top, shot back down by a lot. So let's go ahead and look at this here. It's just hanging on, like, just like right here, just hanging on. Based off looking at the candles here, it seems like the sellers are starting to gain weakness here, so we might see a reversal. We possibly might. But however, if not, once these moving average cross, it's gonna go down even further. It's gonna probably hit the this $2.20 mark. I don't think it would go any lower than that, if anything. If it did, probably $1.89 potentially would be the next one. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line just in case, so we know where the next support will be. All right, so we just gotta wait it out here. This one, just gotta wait it out. All right, cool. Moving on, let's get to Chainlink. All right, let me see here. Seems like Chainlink is about to start forming a uptrend here. However, has a breakthrough resistance. It hit it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, right? The third time, hopefully it will break through. Once it does, retest, goes back up. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And possibly go back and hit this $35. That's a 4 hours. Look at the 1 hour. Okay, like I said, let's go ahead and wait this out here. Yep, wait it out. Once these moving averages cross, that's a good indication to purchase more. It'll form an uptrend, so that'd be a good sign to get in. All right. FTT in the 1 hour, these moving averages cross, form that golden circle. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour here. The 4 hour moving average cross. When I'm thinking, I think it's gonna go down a bit more, I think it's gonna probably retest and hit this line where the 200 is before going back up. That's my, you know, my prediction. Yeah, I think that's my prediction. Let me see, hold on here. I don't think it will go like all the way down here. I think it will. I think it'll at least go down to the $60, closer to the 200 moving average before going back up. All right, cool. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, we looked at Cardano already. Let's go Solana. Solana. Okay, so based off of my indicators yesterday, I drew a downtrend, broke right through it. Now it's kind of retesting back at this horizontal line. Moving average cross, especially the golden circle. So I think it possibly, it's probably gonna hit the 150 the fourth time. And then from there, if it does break through this time, I think it's gonna go down even further to the 125. Actually, maybe the 126. 125, 126. All right. So we'll just leave it at that. I think that's a good stopping point for Solana. Let's go ahead and look at Polygon. Polygon is forming an uptrend here. Broke out this resistance. Let's look at the 4 hour here. Okay. Potentially might just retest before going back up. Let's go ahead and draw our swing high to swing low. Yeah, hard to say, right? Based off of the moving averages, you know, it is a downtrend still, but it's starting to curve back up. So, because in the 1 hour shows that it's gonna start forming an uptrend here, but it might be a false breakout. It actually just might just go down even further, you know. But yeah, we'll see. We'll just leave it at that. Okay, that's for Polygon. Let's go ahead and look at Shiba. It did hit this horizontal line here, so right now it's still some consolidation here. Potentially might move up as an uptrend. So once the uptrend is formed, we'll know where we'll get an idea where the market's gonna go. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and move on to VeChain. Okay, VeChain's going up. So it ended up not going down as we thought it would, or I thought specifically. Let's go ahead and move all that. Okay, so it's forming an uptrend here in the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour, okay. Made a triple bottom. Move this horizontal line here. Okay. Alright, going back up here. For me specifically, I would wait until this moving average cross this this blue moving average, and then I would indicate whether to buy or not. So you just gotta be patient, wait for the right moment, and then that's when we'll know when to buy, right? So for me, I'll just wait this out because it's slowly moving. It's moving as a bullish trend now. Cool. Hopefully, sometime today or tomorrow, we'll have a better understanding of where the market's gonna go. Yeah. So I think this is pretty much it. We went through all the coins pretty quickly. You know, straight to the point. Feel free to ask any questions. Leave a comment down below. What charts you want me to look at. I'll be happy to look through it with you. And yeah, you can chat with me on live as well. I go live every single day, like I said in my previous videos. And yeah, we'll go ahead and leave it at that. So if you guys do like this content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. You'll get that notification that'll be on every day if you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the support. I do this every single day. Hopefully give you guys an idea of where the market's gonna go. So without further ado, I'll see y'all next time. Take care.